Sziasztok! Hi everyone, I'm Sándor, welcome to another Hungarian lesson. Today we're going to practice the consonant that's been giving headaches for Hungarian learners all over the world. I'm talking about the y sound. I'm sure there are other languages that use this sound, but there's none that I know of. So naturally it's hard to wrap your head around it if you're not a native speaker. But I think I cracked the code, guys. I might have cracked the code. So I'm gonna tell you how to make this sound, and then I'm gonna teach you some words so that you can practice. Okay, before I tell you what this sound is, I have to talk about what this sound isn't. A lot of people tend to think that this sound is similar to the G sound in the name George or the J sound in jar. But it's not. We have a different letter for that, which is the letter J. The only thing these two sounds have in common is that they're both voiced consonants. Voiced consonant means that your vocal cords are reverberating when you make the sound. So what is Y? Actually, this sound is more of a mix of a D and a Y sound. Okay, now here's the fun part. Let's say this is the roof of your mouth. Here are your teeth. And this is your tongue. When you make a D sound, the tip of your tongue touches the roof of your mouth right behind your teeth. At least mine does. Try it. D. 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 Now, when you make the Y sound, the tip of your tongue gets bent over a little bit. The tongue doesn't touch the roof of your mouth, and you let a little air out. I want you to say yeah a few times and pay attention to your tongue. Yeah. 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 Now, when it comes to the Y sound, the position of your tongue is pretty much the same as if you were saying yeah, but the tongue is touching the roof of your mouth. With this in mind, try to put a D sound before the Y with your tongue in this position. Your tongue is going to touch the roof of your mouth. Yeah. 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 Do not separate the D and the Y sound. Think of it as the two sounds on top of each other. Yeah. 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 And basically, there you have it. Also, it's not a very tense consonant. You should only let out as much air as if you were to say yeah. Okay, let's see a few words with this sound. Gyerek or gyermek. Child. To me, gyermek sounds a bit kinder, but we do use gyerek a lot more. Gyerek. Gyermek. Gyerek. Gyermek. Gyár. Factory. Gyár. Gyár. Gyáva. Coward. Gyáva. Gyáva. Gyenge. Weak. Gyenge. Gyenge. Agy. Brain. Agy. Agy. Ágy. Bed. Ágy. Ágy. Vágy. Desire. Vágy. Vágy. But that's not all. Almost every consonant can be doubled or tensed in the Hungarian language, and it's true for this sound as well. If you want to write a tense double consonant, you always double the first letter, okay? There is only one word that comes to mind where it naturally occurs in the Hungarian language, and that is megy. It means sour cherry. Megy. Megy. The sound is a bit longer, it's a bit more tense, and you let a little bit more air out. Megy. Megy. But this tense Y does occur quite a lot in the Hungarian language because of consonant assimilation. Whenever you see a D sound followed by a Y, it should be pronounced as a tense Y sound. For example, agy. 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 This means give or give me. Is the imperative form of the word give in the you singular pronoun. Agy. Agy. The same thing happens when a Y meets a Y sound, like in the word higgy. Higgy. It means believe, and once again it's an imperative form of the you singular pronoun. This happens quite a lot actually. Higgy. Higgy. Okay, I hope I was able to make this sound at least a little bit more clear to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you guys for studying with me today. I hope this lesson was useful. Hit the like and subscribe, and see you all in the next lesson. Sziasztok! A viszontlátásra!